Now we'll study the meaning of words starting from letter D. First is dauntless. Dauntless. The meaning of dauntless is bold and brave. Usage. Shivaji was a dauntless warrior. Next is decry. Decry. The meaning of decry is disparage. Disparage. Meaning, usage. You can't gain anything by decrying the success of your rivals. It also means to underestimate. Third word is devoid. Devoid. The meaning of which is lacking. Usage. I cannot trust him because he is devoid of sense of right and wrong. Fourth is dearth. 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 The meaning of which is scarcity. Scarcity. Usage. There is no dearth of talent in India, but it has remained unexploited. Next is fifth one, deference. Defrence. The meaning of deference is regard for another's wish. Regards for another's wish. Usage. We are advised to act in deference to the wishes of our parents. Deference, Deference, means regards for another's wishes. Usage. We are advised to act in deference to the wishes of our parents. That is in accordance with the wishes of our parents. Next is sixth one, dubious. Dubious, meaning not certain, doubtful or suspicious. Usage. He is dubious about the scheme made by his friends. Next is deleterious. 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 The meaning of which is harmful. Usage. We should always beware of the deleterious effect of overeating. Next is defile. Defile. Usage. Meaning. Defile means to pollute or profane. Profane. Meaning. One should never defile sanctity of religious places so as not to hurt the sentiment of the people professing that religious thought. Profane means not holy or religious or not reverent. Next is deterrent. Deterrent. Ninth one, which means discouraging. Usage. India must possess nuclear weapons so that they may act as deterrent for her hostile neighbors. Next is dilapidation. Dilapidation, which means state of ruins. Usage. Ancient monuments in our town are in a state of dilapidation. Next one is disdain. Disdain, which means treat with scorn. Usage. He always disdains what he considers dishonest. Next is dire. Dire, which means disastrous. Usage. In the interest of the national security, we must not be intimidated by the dire consequences of economic sanctions. Next is dissipate. Dissipate, which means to squander or waste. Squander or waste. Usage. India cannot afford to dissipate the forest resources. That means to squander or to waste our precious forest resources. Next is devout. Devout, which means religious or pious. Usage. My mother is devout and God fearing. That means my mother is very religious and is fearful of God. Next is dint. 15th one is dint. Dint. The meaning of dint is effort or means. Usage. You can attain success by dint of hard work. Next is dormant. Dormant. Meaning. Dormant means torpid. Torpid or hidden or latent. Latent. The meaning of torpid is sluggish and inactive. So dormant is torpid, hidden, latent. Torpid means sluggish or inactive. Usage. Adversity brings out dormant qualities in a person to overcome the problems. Next is divulge. D-I-V-U-L-G-E. D-I-V-U-L-G-E. Meaning is reveal or unravel. Reveal R-E-V-E-A-L or unravel A-N-R-A-V-E-L. Usage. He tried to gain my favor by divulging the secrets of my friend. Next is defunct. D-E-F-U-N-C-T. The meaning of defunct is dead or no longer in use. Usage. On account of heavy loss, the factory of my uncle is almost defunct. Next is delusion. D-E-L-U-S-I-O-N. The meaning of delusion is hallucination or false. Usage. We should never be under delusion about our capability. Next is deplete. D-E-P-L-E-T-E. The meaning of deplete is reduce or dwindle. D-W-I-N-D-L-E. The usage of deplete is India has recklessly depleted her forest resources after independence. Next is 21st one, debauch. D-E-B-A-U-C-H. Debauch. The meaning of debauch is corrupt. Usage. Some of the TV channels have debauched the morals and manners of the youth of our country. Next is dovetail. D-O-V-E-T-A-I-L. The meaning of dovetail is to fit together. Usage. You can be benefited only if you dovetail these two schemes to cut down the cost of the material. You can be benefited only if you dovetail these two schemes to cut down the cost of the material. Next is decoy. D-E-C-O-Y. Decoy means to lure or bait. L-O-R-E, lure or bait. B-A-I-T. Usage. A goat is often used as a decoy by the hunters to catch a lion. Next is daunt. D-A-U-N-T. The meaning of daunt is intimidate. Usage. One should never be daunted by difficulties in life. Next is delete. The meaning of delete is erase or remove. Usage. His name has been deleted from the list of successful candidates. Next is deride. D-E-R-I-D-E, which means scoff at. S-C-O-F-F, scoff at. Usage. He is in the habit of deriding the achievements of his friends. Next is despise. D-E-S-P-I-S-E, which means scorn or detest. Usage. We should not despise anyone for his poverty. Next is debacle. D-E-B-A-C-L-E. Debacle means downfall. Usage. The poor batting performance resulted in the debacle of our team. Next is deployment, which means spreading out the troops. Usage. The central government has promised the deployment of additional troops during elections. Next is diffident. D-I-F-F-I-D-E-N-T, which means shy. S-H-Y or timid. T-I-M-I-D. Usage. A successful teacher is not expected to be diffident. Next is dynamic, which means energetic. Usage. At this critical juncture, India needs dynamic and sagacious political leaders. Sagacious means wise. Next is dilemma. dilemma, which means in a fix. Usage: he is in a dilemma over the choice of career. You can also say confusion. Next is 33rd, despotism. Meaning is tyranny or cruelty. Usage: Germans got fed up with the despotism of Hitler very soon. Next is dexterous. Dexterous. The meaning of which is skillful. Usage: the artisans of Muradabad are dexterous in brass work. Next is detrimental. Meaning of which is harmful. Usage: the foreign aid has proved to be detrimental to our economy. Next is 36th, desecrate. Desecrate. The meaning of which is violate the sanctity of. Usage: the rioters desecrated the religious places. Next is diversity. Usage is variety. Meaning is variety. Usage is diversity is the hallmark of Indian civilization. Next is dulcet. Dulcet, which means melodious to the ear or taste. Usage: as a singer, Jagjit Singh is known for his dulcet voice. Dulcet voice. Dulcet. Dulcet. Next is demise. The meaning of which is death. Usage: in the demise of Sardar Patel, India lost the most sagacious leader, the most wise leader. Next is demolition. Demolition. The meaning of demolition is destruction. Usage: the municipal corporation has started demolition campaign to clear up encroachment. Next is deranged. Deranged. The meaning of which is insane or mad. Insane, insane or mad. The use of it is none but a deranged person could have behaved in such an irresponsible manner. Next is demur. 42nd one, demur. 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 The meaning of which is delay or hesitate. Usage: a practical man would never demur to avail himself of every chance. A practical man would never demur to avail himself of any chance, or basically a practical man would never hesitate or delay to avail himself of every chance. Next is demure. Demure. 42nd was demure. Demur, and this is 43rd demure. Demure. This is a addition of e at the end. It means shy, shy, or quiet. Usage: she is both demure and introvert. Next is dilatory. Dilatory, which means causing delay. Usage: many politicians consider dilatory tactics as an art of politics. Next is 45th, deteriorate. Deteriorate, which means get worse. Usage: the condition of the patient has deteriorated. Now we'll study the meaning of words starting from letter D. First is dauntless.